This 2025 Grand Design Reflection 127BH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Rockwall, Texas, 75087 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Rockwall. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 32 feet 3 inches in length and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Grand Design Reflection 127BH is 8,200 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.